ngithi mina, if uMakgopa can get a good coach, this boy can be a good striker. If uMakgopa can get a good coach, he can be a good striker. Because one, I look at his age, he's 24.
Yeah.
He's got a height. He's not bad with the ball. He just needs a coaching. And this thing of him chasing right, left, you'll find him in the midfield, you'll find him chasing until the defense. Now he's got a very good coach. He's coaching him. You can see his movement. You can see what man. You're totally coaching. Yeah. Today I was so impressed. One, how he controls the ball.
Yeah.
First touch shack. He knows I'm alone. I need to protect that ball and wait for the guys to come. Then I can release the ball. Two, you don't find him now all over the place. You find him in good areas now.
Playing more closer to the box. Okay.
If Shani,
Okay.
if you want to cook, I'm gonna go peg the gate. There's no way. You must go to the kitchen and cook.
Yeah.
So that's what uMakgopa is doing.
Yeah.
uMakgopa, he's there in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Even when he goes out and have a touch, he goes out, have a touch, and then he goes back to his position. Yes, he's not yet, but I'm very impressed because he's always there. And then look at how he scored a goal. I said to Gulindo, I've been saying this for years. You can't be a lone striker and you all over the place. And now it's worse now that you've got Moremi, you've got Tito, you've got Kingama 2000, you've got Apolise, you've got Dumbule, you've got Dumbata. You've got all the attacking players, all the good players. Yeah. You are surrounded with good players. What do you want outside? Stay there. Then they will cook for you and put that plate there in your hands so that you can eat. And for me, how he scored the goal again. Some strikers, they find themselves in that good position, but some they fail. Good touch, first touch, and then good finish. Look, I'm very, very impressed with how uMakgopa is playing. And well done to Coach Wado, because you can see that he's been coaching uMakgopa. uMakgopa is our top Bafana striker, and we need him at his best.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.